In this tutorial video, we will show you how to mark daily student attendance. Navigate to Student Attendance menu and select Mark Attendance. Select year, class, date and click on Search from the list. By default, status will be not mark and all student are mark is present. From the student list, you can click the absent to mark or update it as absent and present accordingly. Once the attendance is marked, you can click the Submit Attendance button to submit the attendance data. The status will change to attendance mark. In case if you need to make any correction, first update the attendance and use the Update button to correct it. Now let's view the student attendance and stats. Go to Students Attendance menu and click on Statistics. Select the class to filter the view and click on Search. Now you can see that there are a total of 21 students, 17 present and 4 absent. And status is complete and the percentage of present and absent. You can also view more details by clicking the date or class. Here are the list of present and absent students as shown. That is all for this video. Thank you.